Hello friends, welcome in Takshila YouTube channel. Today is my subject in Sanskrit, Standard 10, chapter number 3, Swastha Vruttam Samacharah. Already in last video we have seen first 3 slokas. Today I am going to teach you 4th sloka. Let's first I recite the sloka so you also know how to read or recite the sloka. Sloka number 4. पूर्वाभिमुखमासीनः कुरु संध्याविधिं तथा वन्दस्व पितरौ नित्यं प्रातराशम् अशान च. So पूर्वाभिमुखम आसीन. Here 2 words are there. पूर्वाभिमुखम ma is there. So ma is there. Instead of ma we have to put there half ma and asina. Asinah, already I have told you earlier कि any consonant is there, in that there is a vowel. So in ma also a, half ma plus a, and same way standing line, so we have to put a. So half ma plus a. So when we disjoin this word, so it become purva bhimukham asinah. Kuru means do. Kuru is a imperative verb. Already I told Agnarth, mostly all the verbs of this chapter are of the imperative, means the Agnarth ke hai, and that is also of the Madhyam Purush Ekvachan, because there is no suffixes in Kuru. That is why it is a imperative, means Agnarth, Parasmai Pad, Madhyam Purush Ekvachan. Sandhya Vidhim. Sandhya Vidhim means, what is the meaning of the Sandhya Vidhim? Many times come in the examination, okay, what is the meaning of Sandhya Vidhi? Sandhya Vidhi means morning and evening prayer. Especially we are doing the prayer in the morning and evening time during the sunrise and sunset. Okay, so Sandhya Vidhi means the prayer which are done in the morning and the evening. Tatha and Vadasvam. Friends, it is also the Vanda means the bow down. Here Vandasva is there. So it is also the imperative, but it is of the Atmanepad. E avaihe amaihe swa itham dam ta itam antam. So swa is there, that's why it's a imperative. Agnarth, Atmanepad, Madhyam Purush Ekvachan. Vandasvam means bow down. Pitrau means the father and mother. So friends, Pitrau is a Dvandha Samas. In that father and mother, 2 persons are there, and when 2 nouns are joined with and or एंड से जब जोड़ते हैं 2 नाउन्स तो उसको द्वंद्व समास बोलते हैं. सो पितरौ मीन्स द फादर एंड मदर. दैट इज वाई पितरौ इज अ द्वंद्व समास. नित्यम मीन्स द ऑलवेज. प्रातः राशम मीन्स द मॉर्निंग breakfast. Prata means the morning and Rasham means the breakfast. Ashana means eat. E-A-T. I-T don't write. E-A-T. Eat morning breakfast. Now again I clear all the things. First word remain to clear. Purva means the east direction. Abhimukham Asina. Mukha means the face. Asina means putting your face on the east direction. Kuru means do. Sandhya Vidhi means morning and evening prayer. So do your morning and evening prayer by putting your face on the east direction. Means east direction में आपका फेस रहे, ऐसे बैठ के आपको आपकी मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग प्रेयर करनी है. Then Vadasvam तथा and. Vadasvam pitarau nityam. Nityam means the always. Vadasvam means bow down. Pitarau means father and mother. Then and always bow down to your parents. Okay, we can use parents also and mother and father also. Cha and ashana means eat. Prata rasham means morning breakfast. Only I am translating now 4th sloka. Do your morning and evening prayer by putting your face on the east direction and always bow down to your parents and eat morning breakfast. Okay, now see fourth sloka, sorry, fifth sloka. पाठशालां समं मित्रैः गच्छ पाठं तथा पठ एवं समादिशत पुत्रं तातः पुत्रहिते रतः. पाठशालां, पाठशालां means the school. समम with, समम means with, मित्रैहि means friends, गच्छ means go, go पाठशालां, गच्छ पाठशालां means go to the school, समम मित्रैहि with the friends, go to the school with the friends. पाठम तथा पठ and learn a lesson. पाठम means lesson, patha means learn, learn a lesson, tatha and learn a lesson. Go to the school with the friends and learn a lesson. Evam, like this, samadhishat, samadhishat means order, putram means to the son, tatah means father, putra hite ratah, father, tatah means father. How is the father? Putra hite ratah, ratah means the engaged or the busy. In which things? Putra hite, beneficial, hit means the beneficial and putra means the son, who is engaged for the beneficial of his son. So tatah, father, putra hite ratah, who engaged for the beneficial of his son. Evam, like this, samadhishatah, ordered, putram means to the son. So whole translation will be like this. Go to the school with your friend and learn a lesson. Father, who is engaged for the beneficial of his son, like this, order to his son. Means father ने अपने पुत्र को ऐसा ऑर्डर दिया कि यू हैव टू गो टू द स्कूल विथ योर फ्रेंड एंड लर्न अ लेसन. मीन्स फ्रेंड के साथ जाने से क्या होगा कि यू कैन एडजस्ट विथ different people because all the persons are different, those who are your friend. So उसके साथ भी adjustment करना चाहिए and that is why father order these things कि go to the school with your friend and learn a lesson. वहाँ जाके don't do any other activities but you have to learn a lesson, पढ़ाई करना है. Let's we go ahead through the sixth sloka. त्यज दुर्जन संसर्गम भज साधु समागमम कुरु पुण्यम अहोरात्रम स्मर नाम हरे सदा. Here see sandhi is only punyam ahoratram, full ma is there, so from there half ma and a, two letters will come from the full ma. So when we disjoin this word, so how it become? Punyam ahoratram, punyam half ma and ahoratram. Friends, here tyaja means leave, L-E-A-V-E, छोड़ देना. Bhaja means worship, kuru means do and smara means the remember. So these four are the verbs and these all the verbs are of imperative, means the आज्ञार्थ, परस्मयी पद, मध्यम पुरुष, एक वचन. So all are the imperative verbs tyaja, bhaja, kuru and smara. Tyaja means leave. Durjana sansargam, durjan means the evil person. Sansargam means the friendship. Leave the friendship of the evil person. Means जो दुर्जन लोग हैं, जो बैड पर्सन है, उसकी फ्रेंडशिप आपको छोड़नी चाहिए. फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाने के लिए स्कूल में बोला, फादर टोल्ड, ordered to go to the school with the friends, but leave the friendship, leave the evil friendship. Means जो बैड पर्सन है उसके साथ की फ्रेंडशिप आपको तोड़ देनी है, छोड़ देनी है. भज वर्शिप साधु समागम, समागमम, साधु मीन्स द गुड एंड समागमम मीन्स द फ्रेंडशिप. वर्शिप द फ्रेंडशिप विद द गुड पीपल. लीव द इविल फ्रेंडशिप and worship the friendship with the good people. Means बुरे लोगों की संगत छोड़ देनी है और अच्छे लोगों की संगत करनी है। कुरु पुण्यम अहोरात्रम, कुरु मीन्स डू, पुण्यम मीन्स द रिलीजियस मैरिट, मीन्स अच्छे कर्म, पुण्यम मीन्स द रिलीजियस मैरिट, अहोरात्रम, अहो मीन्स डे एंड रात्रम मीन्स द night, day and night, do the religious merit day and night. Smara, remember, sada means always, nama means name, hare means the God, always smara, smara means remember the name of the God, always remember the name of the God. So again I do the whole translation of the 6th sloka. Leave evil friendship, friends remember LEAVE, leave evil friendship and worship good people or the good friendship. Do the religious merit day and night and always remember the name of the God. Okay, now 7. Pravicharyottaram deyam सहसा न वदेहे क्वचित शत्रुरपि गृणाः ग्राह्या दोषास्त्याज्याः गुरोर अपि. See first the sandhi pravicharyottaram. So here pravicaryo, प्रविचार्य, सॉरी रकार विल बी देयर, य के ऊपर ओनली रकार आएगा, प्रविचार्य एंड स्टैंडिंग लाइन और मात्र है उसका उ हो जाएगा उत्तरम, प्रविचार्य उत्तरम देयम सहसा न वदे क्वचित एंड शत्रुरपि, शत्रुरपि एंड गुरोरपि, both the words are same. When we disjoin शत्रोहो अपि, रमे से विसर्ग एंड अ, two words come from र, रमे से विसर्ग और अ दो चीज़ें निकलती हैं, तो इसमें शत्रु एज इट इज़ विल बी देयर, शत्रु एंड रमे से जो विसर्ग निकला वो, तो शत्रु हो अपि, शत्रु हो अपि, सेम वे गुरो हो अपि, गुरो हो अपि एंड शत्रु हो अपि. एंड दोषास्त्याज्याः, सो इसमें हाफ स इज दैट, सो हाफ स will change into the visarg, as you know these things, doshaha tyajyaha. So let's see the meaning of the word pravicharya uttaram deyam. Deyam means give, uttaram means answer, give answer, pravicharya by thinking properly, give answer by thinking properly. Sahasa means immediately, na means not, vadehe means the speak, kvachita never, न क्वचित means never, क्वचित means ever and न means never, never वदेहे speak, सहसा means immediately, never speak immediately और quickly, जल्दी से कभी भी बोल नहीं देना है, give answer by thinking properly, बहुत सोच के आंसर देना है. शत्रुः अपि गुणाः ग्राह्याः, शत्रुः means the enemies, api also, gunaha means the virtues, gunaha means the virtues, means the qualities, grahyaha means accepted, virtues of the enemies should be accepted. अगर enemy है, दुश्मन है, लेकिन उसमें कोई अच्छी चीज़ है तो we have to accept, उसको स्वीकारना चाहिए, भले ही हमारा शत्रु है लेकिन उसमें जो गुड क्वालिटीज़ है उसको हमको एक्सेप्ट करनी चाहिए. सो वर्चूज़ ऑफ द एनिमीज ऑल्सो एक्सेप्टेड, वर्चूज़ ऑफ द एनिमीज शुड बी एक्सेप्टेड. एंड दोषाः त्याज्याः गुरोः अपि हि, दोषाः, दोष मीन्स द फॉल्ट्स, FAULTS, फॉल्ट्स, मिस्टेक्स. त्याज्याः, त्याज्या मीन्स लीव, LEAVE छोड़ देना चाहिए, गुरो अपि. एंड फॉल्स ऑफ द प्रिसेप्टर ऑल्सो लेफ्ट, फॉल्स ऑफ द प्रिसेप्टर ऑल्सो लेफ्ट. भाई प्रिसेप्टर है, गुरु है, टीचर है, बट ही इज़ ऑल्सो अ मैन, तो मैन से गलतियाँ हो जाती हैं, नो वन इज़ परफेक्ट, तो उसमें जो भी मिस्टेक्स है उसको छोड़ देना चाहिए, उसकी अच्छी चीज़ें हमको एक्सेप्ट करनी चाहिए और उसकी जो बुरी चीज़ें हैं उसको छोड़ देनी चाहिए. डोंट थिंक दैट कि ही इज़ अवर प्रिसेप्टर, ही और शी इज़ माई प्रिसेप्टर, सो ऑलवेज ही और शी इज़ राइट, सो वी हैव टू फॉलो. इफ any bad habits is there, any faults is there, then also. So whole translation will be like this: give answer by thinking properly, never speak quickly. शत्रुः अपि गुणाः ग्राह्याः means gunaha means the virtues, good qualities of the enemies also accepted, and faults of the preceptor should be left. Means जहाँ से जो अच्छी चीज़ है that we have to accept, and wherever there mistake or faults we should avoid. Okay, let's see last sloka. देयं सनातनं ब्रह्म हेयं दुःखम् अनागतं कायिकं सुखम आदेयम विधेयम जनसेवनम. Friends, two sandhis are here. Dukham anagatam, you know that ki full ma is there, so when we disjoin, so half ma and full a will be there. So same way here also dukham anagatam and sukham adeyam. Sukham adeyam. So let's see the meaning of the word deyam. Deyam means meditate. Meditate करना, ध्यान धरना. Sanatanam, Sanatanam means the eternal, Brahma means the God. Meditate the eternal God. Eternal means जो कभी भी नहीं मरता है वो, that only gods are that. भगवान ही कभी नहीं मरते हैं, हम तो कभी भी मर जाने वाले हैं, हम eternal नहीं है. So meditate the eternal God. हेयम, हेयम मीन्स लीव, L-E-A-V-E. बहुत बार many times this word come leave, L-E-A. हेयम, त्याज्याः, त्यज, these all the words meaning are same. हेयम means leave. दुखम means the unhappiness. Dukham is the opposite of sukham. So dukham means the unhappiness. Anagatam, which does not come. So leave the unhappiness which does not come. Nowadays corona is going on. So by thinking about the corona कि if it happens to me, so what will happen, so उसकी वजह से ऐसा सोच के फ्यूचर के बारे में सोच के we should not be get the unhappiness. We should leave the unhappiness which does not come. जो हमारी और नहीं आया है उसके बारे में सोच के दुखी नहीं होना है. So first line's translation, meditate the eternal God. Meditate the eternal God and leave the unhappiness which does not come. And कायिकम सुखम आदेयम. आदेयम means get. कायिकम means the physical. सुखम means the happiness. And received, आदेय get or the received the physical happiness. जो happiness अभी मिल रही है उसको accept करना चाहिए. So get or acquire the physical happiness. And videyam janasevanam. Videyam means do the service of the human being. Janasevanam means of the people. Do the service of the people. Do the service of the people. So let's see the translation of the whole sloka. 8 number sloka. Meditate the eternal God and leave the unhappiness which does not come, and receive the physical happiness and do the service of the human beings. Okay, so it's our third chapter, Swastha Vruttam Samacharam completed. So thank you very much. Goodbye.